we will continue our previous lecture on economical load dispatch without losses. Now we will discuss output power constraints. Actually, these are the generating constraints. In numerical, generally, it's given that the minimum limit of the generator is this and the maximum is this. Now let's take one example. The minimum generating capacity of generator 1 is 50 MVA and the maximum is 75 MVA. Now if in somehow PG1 minimum comes out to be 45, we don't take it 45, we take it 50 MVA, otherwise there will be no economical load dispatch. Similarly, in the case of maximum limit, if PG1 comes out to be 85 but the maximum limit is 75, therefore we set it at 75, not at 85. It will be clear in the numerical portion. This numerical has been asked in ESE 2008. Now we are going to solve this numerical. This question has been asked in ESE 2008. What we have to calculate? P1 and P2. It is given that incremental fuel cost of plant 1 is this 15.0.15 P1 and the incremental fuel cost of plant 2 is given as 18.015 P2 and PD is given as 100 megawatt. Now what we have to calculate the value of P1 and P2 for economical load dispatch. Now let's start. Firstly, it is given PD is 100 megawatt. That's P1 plus P2 is 100 megawatt, right? Equation first. Now we know that for economical load dispatch, the incremental fuel cost of two plants should be same. That's IC1 equal to IC. IC1 is given as this 15.015 P1. That's we can write 15.0.15 P1 equal to incremental fuel cost of plant 2, that's 18.0.15 P2. Now on solving we get P1 minus P2 0.15 equal to 18 minus 15, that is 3, which implies that P1 minus P2 equal to 3 divided by 0.15, or we can write this as 3 by 15 into 100, that comes out to be 20. That's P1 minus P2 is 20. Equation second. Now we will add these both equations P1 and P2. Adding equation first and second, that's P1 plus P2 equal to 100, this is PD. P1 minus P2 equal to 20. This equation first, this is second. Now let's add these. This will get cancelled out. That's 2p1 equal to 120. Implies that p1 is 120 by 2. That's 60 megawatt. This value of p1 is 60 megawatt. But in question it is given that p1 max is 50. Therefore we set value of p1 equal to 50 megawatt instead of 60. Now putting the value of p1 in equation first, we will get the value of p2. That's p1 plus p2 equal to 100. That's p2 equal to 100 minus p1. That's 100 minus 50. That's p2 equal to 50 megawatt. So we conclude with this: p1 equal to p2 equal to 50 megawatt for economical dispatch. Now let's check which option is correct. That's option second is correct. 50 megawatt each. Right? Thank you.